Hello everyone. I'm going to talk a little bit more about energy today. Before we talked about how energy comes off us as a little cloud of energy, we call this an aura. Now, depending on how we feel mentally, emotionally, and physically, that energy can be either good or bad, depending on how we feel. That it can also show up, as we talked about before, in different ways. Like if you feel good about a company, it could be because they have good energy and their energy is flowing. But some of them feel bad, and why do they feel bad? It's because a lot of times their energy is stuck. There's stagnant energy within that business, and it needs to be cleaned out and moved to being more in flow. Also, our houses can also have stuck energy in it. That's why they say clean out your closets now and then. Well, it can have stuck energy, and instead of, let's say, moving to a new house to clear the energy and get new energy flowing, we can go ahead and start moving that energy from being stuck to being more in flow in your house so that you can feel better, and if you work at home, you can be more productive in that environment. So I'm sure you have some questions about this, so go ahead and email me at greg@gointuition.com, and I can go ahead and answer those questions. All right, have a great day. Thanks.